Hi guys, welcome to the video. Today I will be playing the Broken Engine. And let's hit start. Oh. Okay. And there's also a flashing light. Oh. County, yay! I love the yay. Oh, cool. Escape. Free play. Doll. Okay.
3, 2, 1, begin.
Oh. 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 Doll. Oh. Wow, how many glitches! It's behind you. I like to be behind. Just my tail. This doll. Whoa, how many glitches! Stop! No, just stop! What in the hell? Why? Oh. Oh. It was his fault. Whose fault? Okay. You are not allowed to finish